In today's video, we will be using Open Horizon to deploy an EdgeLake operator. Open Horizon, part of the Linux Foundation, is a platform for managing the service software lifecycle of containerized workloads and related machine learning assets. It enables autonomous management of applications deployed to distributed web-scale fleets of edge computing nodes and devices without requiring on-premise administrators. EdgeLake is a network that seamlessly captures, stores, and manages data on each of the distributed edge nodes. EdgeLake provides a complete and unified view of the data to satisfy SQL queries from any application as if the data is organized in a centralized database without the dependency of cloud data services. Before we get started, let's take a brief look at EdgeLake and what makes it different than cloud-based IoT architectures. As you can see, in traditional IoT applications, all data collected by edge compute devices moves all that data to cloud data resources such as AWS IoT and Azure IoT. This means you spend lots of money for these resources in the cloud. EdgeLake is different. EdgeLake leverages those edge compute devices collecting the data and turns them into a virtual data lake, eliminating the need to move all data to expensive cloud resources. All the data services provided by the cloud DBs are made available in an automated way at the edge. One of the ways to get EdgeLake services installed at each of your edge compute devices is to leverage Open Horizon. Open Horizon allows us to deploy and manage remote services such as EdgeLake on edge compute devices. First, let's take a look at some data stored in EdgeLake. Using a standard BI tool such as Grafana, we can query the EdgeLake network to retrieve data collected and stored at edge compute devices. Next, let's look at an actual EdgeLake query. Using a tool such as Postman, we can see how we were sending the EdgeLake network a SQL query. Notice in the query response, you can see the actual edge nodes that are hosting data. Let's move on to Open Horizon. First of all, we can check the status of Open Horizon platform and enforce a clean Open Horizon environment using the following examples. EdgeLake is a built-in Open Horizon service. We can start a remote EdgeLake operator by changing to the EdgeLake service directory and publishing the operator using the following commands. Going back to our query from earlier, we can now see new data from the Open Horizon node beginning to flow into the EdgeLake network. When querying the Postman-like tool, you can see the new operator node, Open Horizon Operator, sending data to the EdgeLake network. This completes our video. If you have any questions, please contact us at www.AnyLog.network. Thank you and have a great day.